Okay, we're going to have a look at the fourth extensor compartment. So first of all, we find the listus tubercle at the dorsal radius. You can put your finger on it, you can feel it really easily. It stands out when you do that. You can then put your probe on it, and then we can see right next to it, and I demonstrate. So this is your listus tubercle, and this is your extensor pollicis longus. Yeah. Now, when we then go further, and it's very important to look at the bony anatomy here, because it's got a very particular particular course. So you can see that listus tubercle, then you can see a little dimple where the extensor pollicis longus is, and then you go further across, and then you see the sort of more hollowed like surface, which is where the fourth compartment, the extensor digitorum, is. So I'm going to ask my patient to move, and you can really clearly see that compartment. And of course there's no effusion, it's a non-pathological compartment, and that's what that looks like. But then you can see how we got there from the listus tubercle.